Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights and a live connection. This lets you read saved keys. Once ready, click the Wi-Fi icon and select Open Network and Internet Settings or Open Control Panel Network and Internet. Make sure you know whether you want the laptop's saved key or the router's key. Both are different locations. Now, follow the path to adapter or connection details. That first click moves you into the area where Windows stores the wireless profile. Once done opening the adapter area, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter and choose Status, then Wireless Properties. Move to the Security tab and check Show Characters to reveal the network security key. This reads the saved PSK from the profile. Alternatively, open Command Prompt as administrator and run netwlan show profiles to list names. Then netwlan show profile name equals your profile, key equals clear to display key content. These methods read stored credentials, so you can copy the exact passphrase. If the laptop saved key doesn't work, you should access the router directly. Open a browser, go to the router IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, log in with admin credentials, and view the wireless security section to read or change the WPA/WPA2 passphrase. Make sure to save changes and reconnect devices. Troubleshooting tip. If you cannot log in or forgot the admin password, a hardware reset will restore defaults but will erase custom settings. So only reset as a last resort and be prepared to reconfigure the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.